Thousands of Ugandan traders have brilliant ideas. And one of the most brilliant idea most Ugandan traders have is to import goods from China. So what happens is that most Ugandans want to import them but don't know even where to start, and the ones who do struggle to maintain it. So today I want to show you exactly why and exactly what I built to fix this. So I want to break down exactly 4 walls stopping Ugandan traders to importing from China. So wall number one is the minimum order quantities. Many Ugandans or many local traders can't afford the minimum order quantities that Chinese suppliers require. So a single trader can't afford, let me say, over 500 units. Let me say he's dealing in electronics. A single trader can't afford over 500 electronics alone. This takes us to wall number two, the shipping costs per person. When one trader ships alone, they bear 100% here. They bear 100% of flight costs. Margins disappear even before goods arrive. So you are facing one person is facing taxes, one person is facing the shipment costs, and one person is facing all these fine margins. So this takes us to wall number three that hinders Ugandan traders importing from China. So some even don't know where to start, the starting point. Some even don't know which suppliers to contact, which suppliers are trusted. They have no community. Most traders don't know even where to begin. So that's wall number three that is stopping Ugandan traders to import from China. So then we go to wall number four. Wall number four is even some don't know which goods to buy, which goods to invest in, don't have investment. So the investment part not only facilitates the traders, but even like the normal users. Normal users, I find normal users having issues in investment. They don't know where to invest their money. So this takes us to our application. So our application has mainly three features that solves all this. So feature one is the group buying. So what happens is that traders join a group, pull or make orders within a certain group together. They split shipping costs, one shipment, many traders. So you have a group of traders combined. Let me say you have like 10 you have like 10 traders. So this means is that you create a group. So in this group you say that we are going to import this product and this. So this means that in the container that you guys are sharing, a single container, what this means is that you have one shipment but you are sharing it with multiple traders. So this simply simplifies this issue here, the one that we had here up, this issue here, the minimum order quantities. Why? Because you're having multiple traders, and these multiple traders, you find a single trader can, let me say, buy 2 pieces of, let me say, phones. The other one is buying 10 pieces of phones. So in addition, these pieces are going to multiply, meaning you are importing or you are shipping multiple items at a lower cost. So this also solves this issue here. I'm mapping it to this issue, the shipping cost per person. Then the starting point, if you have already the community, so the starting point becomes much more easier. Then we go to the second feature that the app has. The app has a feature of investment. So you find traders can invest in input rounds. This means that goods sold to customers. You find that traders can invest into a certain product, or even non-traders can invest into a certain product. What happens is that the system of the platform sells these products to customers, then profits made or profits gained are shared proportionally to the investors that invested into this product. So which means is that you have money working for you. So the third one is you have a platform unifying all suppliers at once. So you have suppliers, verified suppliers, onboarding onto our platform. So a trader finds it much more easier to connect to verified suppliers. This takes us to, let me say you have John here and you have Colin here. So Colin, John is going to use 43.5 million to do it alone, which will take John, or which will take Colin only 2.2 million to import goods or to ship his goods in a group buying setting, which reduces a burden of Colin, and John is in desperation. So let's dive into the app demo and we see exactly what the app does. So this is how the site looks like. This is the homepage. You have products listed. Up here you have the categories, you have the quick actions, then the products, the flash sales, and the hot deals. So these products simply, my intention was to make sure that even like for let me say I click buy now. So please sign in to purchase. Let me first sign in, show you something. Click sign in, continue with Google. So my main intention was for normal users or for normal traders or for anyone like who wants to purchase any items onto the site is not left out. So which means that they can come and make their purchases. When you click buy now, already these payment mobile money is already working. So I use the Git gateway. This is our SaaS tool that here at this sub we use that handles our payments. So you can either choose to use MTN mobile money or the Airtel mobile money. Then you purchase this item and you can increase also the quantity. So that's also the feature that I implemented. So the main features are up here. So when you click groups, you will see available groups that we have. So far, we have the electronic ones, the summer wallets, and the summer iPhones. So this group, you see that this group, I'm already a member, but you see that all groups have due dates, and you see that this group specifically has 2 items. So let me say I want to join this group, the electronics group. Down here, you will see all items into this group listed. So you can purchase items specifically into this group. So let me say I want iPhone cases and let me say I want one. You see that all items, electronic items, will be listed onto this group. Let me say cameras, among others. So let me say I'm purchasing one. Now this helps you to purchase low items or few items specifically for the group buying. So all members who have purchased will be listed down here. So I have one item, can pay using mobile money. So already payments are working. So let me pay. Or what I can do, let me first show you this. Let me first join this group. You have joined the group, but select below and complete your mobile money payment to become an active member. So initially, before even purchasing, and a member is not active. So you have to first purchase an item into a specific group to become active. So let me purchase this, put my number, 1, then proceed. Perfect. The payment is done. You are now an active member of this group. So I have finished. Let me load this. You see that I have paid and purchased one iPhone and I have successfully joined. So you see another feature is that so whoever buys into this group will be listed down here. So another interesting feature is the group chat. So you can have messages or you can text. You can have a group chat whereby you can send messages concerning these items that you purchased, but specifically for a certain group. So hello there, are our products being shipped? Then you send the message. Perfect, the message has been sent. So this is also using real time. I used WebSockets to handle my group chat. So let me go back here to the group. So you see that I'm able to buy into the group setting. So the other feature was the investments. So you have all the investments listed here. So you can choose one investment that you want to let me say I want to invest into the wireless audio equipment items. So you see that the investment progress, we have the investment progress, and so far the investment progress is, the target is 18 million, we have raised 10 million. So automatically after raising the target, the investment is closed. So I'll say I want to invest like 100k or 10k, MC 100. So it is 0.09% of the total investment. So when you say proceed, still the same thing, you pay straight away and you're able to invest. So here on top here, you have also the suppliers listed. So the app also helps normal traders to allocate suppliers, China suppliers. So far you have the tech hub electronics, you have the clothing. So when you click, let me see on this one, view, you're able to see items connected, all the items that this supplier has. You have the new arrivals, the best sellers, among others. So let me show you how the user dashboard looks like. So for the normal user, you have your dashboard looking like this. So you have the total amount. So I already made some group buying. So my recent orders were these two. You see them, I paid them. The other one was this. So you have your orders, your recent orders, your favorites, your order history, then your messages. So this is the user dashboard. So you have the order history also listed inside. All that is inside our application. So let me switch an account and I show you how the admin account looks like. So I'll come this side. So I have already logged into the admin account. So let me access the dashboard. Because all this is modifiable by the admin. So let me access the admin account. So the admin has an overview of the total revenue generated, the normal orders, the group orders, and the investments. So this is the admin dashboard. This is how it looks like. So under here, he has overview for the users using the application. Then we have the categories for the products that we saw on the home page. Then we have the products themselves. The admin can add any product. The admin can either delete, adjust stock, or even view more details. But down here, besides the orders, down here we have also the deals. So the other flash sales that you saw, the admin can edit them or can add new items to the promotion side and the hot deals. So down here you have the group buying. So the admin has access. So I group these groups into categories. You might find a group or a trader is dealing specifically in electronics. So a trader will come here. When I come back here under groups, a trader here up will select the desired category that he or she falls into. So all these will be filtered basing on that category. So all these is coming from the back end. So you have also the groups here. The trader, the admin can create a new group. Then the admin himself can add items to this group. So when you click view, you see that we have two items. So you have the members. You see that into this group we have active members, and we have orders. Here we have one item that has been ordered. Then you can also track this, so you can also continue, the admin can also continue updating statuses on this specific order or group. So up here under the deals, let me click all deals. So you see that all the recent orders from the users will be listed here, so the admin can come and track this order. Let me say it has been completed, has been cancelled, all that. So I wanted to show you something here under the of the groups. So the same thing with the investment. Then the withdrawals are for the users who invested, you can also withdraw. Then here, down here, you have also the suppliers listed, connected onto the account, connected onto the system. So you have access to supplier wallets, or the amounts suppliers have generated. All this is listed on the admin account. So at the same hand, when I come back here, you see that we have a become supplier. So to become a supplier, you just have to click this, start the application, apply for being a supplier onto this platform. So the admin will receive here, when I come back to the admin account, the admin will receive supplier applications. Then the admin can either approve or reject. So that's simply how a supplier can join onto our platform and is able to upload his desired items. So when I click this one does not have any goods. So let me see this one. I think this one has, yeah, this one has. You see that all this is connected to a single supplier, so suppliers can onboard and join onto the system. So that's how the system works. So the system, what I use to build the system, I use the grid framework used here at desktop. So the grid framework is a new framework that we are using here, using Go at the back end, then Next.js at the front end. That's the architecture of the framework. So besides that, you can add an item to favorites. You can either add it to shopping cart. So you can purchase items through the shopping cart also. So far we have like one item. So you can also proceed to payments here. So that's how simply our application works, and that's how all the other problems we are solved. So thank you.